My Roblox game makes $12,535 a month, or roughly that amount, and I'm going to show you guys proof of everything. But in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how, the idea behind it, how it's built, and the actual framework behind why it's working. This is my game called Guess the Job or Die. So just for a quick concept of the game, one player picks a secret job, the other guesses it letter by letter, you guess right and you win cash. If you guess wrong, you die. It's a simple game, but stick with me because the numbers behind it are what matter here. So real quick, the actual numbers. This game peaked at 3,000 concurrent players. It averages somewhere around 2,000. The total visits are sitting at 2.1 million, and it's only been live for about a month. Over the past 72 hours, it did 358,166 Robux, which converts to $1,253.50 through DevX. So if you do that math out over a month, and that's the $12,535 number. It's not a made-up figure, that's literally just the DevX conversion times 10. Okay, so here's the actual framework that I want to break down, because this applies to pretty much any game that you're trying to make, not just this one. Success on Roblox really comes down to two things: the idea and the execution. The idea itself is simple. It's a social deduction guessing game, which is a genre that's proven over and over on this platform. People already understand games like this instantly. Sit down, guess, win or lose. There's no tutorial needed, and that's kind of exactly the kind of concept that scales, because a 9-year-old and a 14-year-old can both pick it up in 10 seconds. But here's the thing. The idea alone isn't what makes money. Plenty of guessing games exist on Roblox. What truly matters is what you build on top of that idea. And honestly, this is where I think a lot of the developers get it wrong. They think that the core mechanic needs to be complicated to have depth, when in reality it doesn't. Guess the Job or Die has one simple loop: guess the job. But look at everything layered on top of that one mechanic. There's a full chair collection system, daily rotating shop, limited skins. Players aren't just playing to win, they're playing to collect. That's a whole separate reason to come back that has nothing to do with the actual guessing gameplay. There's daily rewards, playtime rewards, group rewards, VIP daily rewards, 4 separate systems, all giving players a reason to log back in tomorrow. There's a streak system with leader stat tracking, and you can actually pay Robux to recover a broken streak, which is a genuinely smart monetization move, because losing a streak creates real pain, and players will pay to not lose progress that they already built. And then there's the ability to steal cash from other players. This is the clippable moment. This is the thing that YouTubers and clippers will naturally gravitate toward, because it creates chaos and drama between players. One simple core mechanic, 5 different systems layered on top of it, creating actual depth. So as for how I actually built this, it's a mix of using Claude Fable 5 to help with a lot of the systems, my own game development skills, and I actually brought in someone off of Discord specifically to help polish the UI. And that's honestly a lesson in itself. You don't need a whole team or a co-founder to build something that makes real money. Sometimes you just need to identify the one specific bottleneck in your skill set and bring in help for exactly that piece, instead of trying to force yourself to be good at everything. Now, let's talk about the monetization, because this is obviously where the money actually comes from. On the Game Pass side, there's VIP, which gives 1.5 times cash, VIP chat, and exclusive cosmetics. Then double cash, double wins, and double streak as separate game passes. On developer products, there's cash packs, win packs, reveal job, and reveal one letter, which are basically hint purchases for players who are stuck and don't want to lose. And then, of course, on top of all of that, there's the chairs themselves, which range from $100 all the way up to a $750 gaming chair. And every single system in this game, the streak, the chairs, the VIP, all of it gives players multiple reasons and multiple price points to spend. So honestly, if there's one thing to take from this, it's that you don't need a genius original idea to make real money on Roblox. You need a simple, instantly understandable concept and then you need to layer enough systems on top of it that players have multiple reasons to stay, multiple reasons to come back tomorrow, and multiple reasons to spend. That's genuinely the whole formula. And if you want to go deeper than this video, Road Developer Academy, which I speak about a lot, I know, but it's where I break down everything in full. Inside you get the complete game files that you can download for every single game I've ever made, and you can publish it right now. You get in-depth tutorials on how to run ads and get players, how to properly monetize your game, how to get pushed by the algorithm, and how to use AI to build games faster. It's everything I know about making money with Roblox games in one place for $20 a month. The link's gonna be in the description. Subscribe if you want to see how this game keeps growing, and I'll see you in the next one.